How do I set up my TextAid bookmarklet or extension from my browser or my mobile device? Let's start with your browsers for your laptop or desktop computer. Begin by clicking on Web Reading in the left-hand menu. If it doesn't show, then click on the three vertical dots in the lower left-hand corner. Then, click on Web Reading. You'll see two links near the top of the page. One link is for desktops, and the other link is for mobile devices. Click on Desktop. To install the bookmarklet, which works on any browser, click on Other Browser. Click on the link, TextAid Web Reader, and drag it to your Bookmarks toolbar. When you want to use the bookmarklet, be sure that you are logged into TextAid. If you are not logged in, then you will have a login screen appear when you click on the bookmarklet. Log in. You're ready to use the bookmarklet. To install the browser extension, first, you must identify which browser you are using: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera. These are the only browsers that have extensions. Since we are using Google Chrome, we will click on it. In the middle of the paragraph, there is a link. Read Speaker TextAid for Chrome in the Google Chrome Store. Click on this link. The Google Chrome Store will open to the TextAid extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once the installation is finished, you will see the Read Speaker extension in the extension area of your URL toolbar. When you want to use the extension, click on the extension on your URL toolbar, and you are ready to use it. Adding the extension to the other browsers work in the same general manner. Now let's look at mobile devices. Begin by clicking on Mobile. Identify which type of device you have, Android or iOS. For Androids, the only browser we have integration with is the Google Chrome browser. Follow the on-screen instructions for adding the web reader tool to your mobile Chrome browser. For iOS devices, we have Apple Safari and Google Chrome browsers. Click on the browser you want to use, Safari or Chrome. Follow the on-screen instructions for adding the web reader tool to your browser. Regardless of which type of mobile device you have, the web reader tool will only work when you are logged into your TextAid account. Now that you know how to add the web reader tool to your browsers and mobile devices, you're ready to begin using it.